Hey friends, let's do Under the Blade Guitar Lesson by Twisted Sister. I'll talk you through all the guitar parts, all with on-screen tab and chord charts to make it easy to follow along, and we'll do the solos at the end. So we play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we're just starting on this A power chord, do it down, up, and do that 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. Then just go to the B flat and just do that 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So, and repeat that 8 times. So. So we do that 8 times for the intro, and then we just have this solo, and he's just bending on the 8th fret on the B. Times, the last time, and that's a solo for the intro there. Then we have our verse riff. Let me play that for you. So we're just doing that first riff 5 times, our A to our B flat. So that 5 times, then the last time we do it 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the A, and then just play A, B flat. Then we have this little run down D. We play 7, 5, 4, 5, 4, 7 on the A, 4 on the D, back to A, 7, 5, 7, 5, open, and do 2 bends on the 3rd fret A. So slowly. And that's our first verse. Let's have a look at the next part. So we're just playing 2nd fret on the D and the G, 2 palm mutes on the A, do that again, and again, and again, 2 palm mutes, and then play 5 on the D and the G, 4 on the D and the G. So. Repeat that all again. And instead of going to 5 and the 4, we go to the open D and G, 1st fret D and G, so slowly. And we do that through 4 times, and we're going to call that riff 2 there. So. Then we have the 2nd verse. Let me play that for you. Before we go on, if you're enjoying this lesson, please like and subscribe and say good day in the comments. We have new songs and lessons every week. You can also make a small donation on my Patreon page, and that'd be fantastic. So let's get back into it. This time we're doing the 2nd fret on the D and the G 2 times. 1 palm mute on the A, and then go back to the riff before. 2 and 2 palm mutes. This time play the power chords C and B. So. Do the same again. And play G and A flat, or G and G sharp, and we do that 5 times. So. And that's through 5 times, and we're going to call that riff 3. Then we have our chorus. So we're just starting with a C power chord, go to a B power chord, back to the C, and then go G, A. Go back to the C, B, C to A power chord. Then go back to the C 3 times. Come up to D and back to B. So we're stopping on that D and B. And that's our chorus there. From there we go back to our riff tool and we do it 2 times again, and we have this little solo. Let me do that for you. So we're just bending 3 times on the 8B, slide up to 14G, play 13B, bend 15B 2 times, play 15E and then do 15B, bend again. So, and that's a little solo there. From there we go back to our verse riff, which is riff 3, but we do it 3 times and then back to our chorus. Then we have our solo, and we'll do that at the end. Let's look at the solo rhythm. So our solo rhythm is exactly the same as our verse, we just do it through 4 times. So just do that through 4 times, and we have this next riff after the solo. Let me do that for you. So we're just playing the open A 5 times palm muted, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then play 5 on the D and the G. Do that again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then play 2 palm mutes on the open A, 7 on D and G, 2 palm mutes, 5 D and G, 2 palm mutes, 7 D and G, 2 palm mutes, 5 D and G, and do that 2 times. 2 times, and then we just go to our C 3 times, to our B, back to the C, to the A, then do the C again 3 times, up to D, B. Then after that we go back to riff 1 and we do that through 4 times there, and that's just our intro riff, and we have the little solo over the top of it there. So we're just doing a bend on 8B, bend it again and pull off to 5, and then do it again, bend on 8, bend on 8, pull off to 5, do 3 bends on 8, second one with a pinched harmonic and then bend again, and then end it the same way we did before, 14, 13, bend on 15, bend on 15, 15E, bend on 15B. And from there we're just going back to the first verse, do that the same, the second verse the same, then the chorus, and then we have this little outro. Let me do that for you. So we're just playing the 2 on the D and the G, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then come up to 5, and 4 on the D and the G, and then repeat that again. And go G, G sharp, and just do that 6 times. And then to finish off, go back to the riff we did before. So. Hold that last 5 and 5, and then finish on the A there. Then we have the solos. Let me do that for you. So we're going to start with a bend on 10 on the E, pull off the 8, then go straight back to the bend on the 10, 3 times, play 8 on the E. Then we're going to do hammer on 5 to 8, back to 5, pull off on the E, do the same on the B, back to E, back to B, back to E, back to B, then go 5, 7, 5 on the G. 7 on the D, 5 on the G, do a bend on 7 on the G, 5 on the G, 7D, and then go 5B, 8 on the E, 5 on the G, 7 on the D. So. Then you're going to slide up to 14 on the G and 13 on the B and do it another 3 times. So do it again, and then we hold, and do it again, and again, and again. Then do a bend on 15 on the B and hold 12 on the E. Then we're doing 15 pull off to 12 on the E, 15 on the B. Do that 3 times, and the 4th time go 15 pull off to 12 and play 12 again. So then go back to our 15, 12, 15 on the B 5 times. 3, 4, 5, and then the last one go 15, 12, 15, 12, so pull off 15 B, 12 on the E, 15 on, and a bend on the E there. So, and that's our main solo. Now let me play that outro solo for you. So just start on the 14 again on the G, 13 on the B, and we're holding that for 2 bars, and you can play there on every beat there. Then we're doing it again similar to we did in the first solo. And slide up again. Then bend on 15B, play 15, 13, 15 pull off to 13, 14G, 13B, 14G. So, then play 14G, 13B, and then we're going to do 15 pull off to 13 on the B, 14G, 13 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Then come up to 17B, do a bend on 20B. Then we're going to do that similar riff again, except 20, pull off to 17, and 19 on the G there. So do that 4 times, and the 5th, 17 pull off to, sorry, 20 pull off to 17, 19 G, 17, 20. So 3, 4. Then go with the E string, 20 pull off to 17, 20 on the B, do a bend on 20 E. Then back to 17 E, hammer onto 20, pull off to 17. 20 B, 17 E, do a bend on 20 B. And then go 17, 20, 17 on the B. Bend on 19 G, 17 B, 19 G, bend, 17 B. And then just play 20, pull off to 17 B, 19 G, 17 B. So we have. And then go 20, pull off to 17 on the B, 19 G, 4 times. Go 20, pull off to 17, G, 19, 17, 19, pull off to 17, 19 on the D, G, 17, 19, bend, 20 B, 19, release, pull off to 17 on the D, 19, 17, 17, hammer on to 19. So. And they're all the guitar parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Under the Blade guitar lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon.